Hello everyone. So today we are going to start our chapter number 7's exercise. So let's get started. First, starting with section A, MCQ, which of the following plant is a tree? So here is 4 options and you have to write, and the answer is mango. Second one is which type of plant is money plant, and here is also 4 options and the answer is C, climber. Third one is in which of the following plant is the food stored in its stem. So here is the 4 options and the answer is A, potato. Fourth one is which type of plant is coconut. So here is 4 options and the answer is B, tree. Fifth one is which part of a flower attracts insects for pollinations, and here is 4 options and the answer is D, petals. Sixth one is which of the following is the male part of a flower, and here is 4 options and the answer is A, anther. B part, fill in the blanks. First is plants with green and tender stems are called herbs. Second one is in dash the stems branch out near the base. The answer is shrubs. Third one is the broad green flat part of a leaf is known as dash. It is known as lamina. Fourth one is carrot is a food storing dash. So answer is root. Fifth one is dash gas is given out by the part in the process of photosynthesis. तो आंसर आएगा ऑक्सीजन. पार्ट सी, ट्रू और फॉल्स. फर्स्ट इज चाइना रोज प्लांट इज अ हर्ब. तो ये आएगा फॉल्स. सेकंड वन इज स्टिग्मा इज अ पार्ट ऑफ अ पिस्टिल. दैट इज ट्रू. थर्ड वन इज रेडिश एंड कैरोट आर द फूड स्टोरिंग रूट्स. दैट इज ट्रू. फोर्थ वन इज द स्टेम्स ऑफ अ pumpkin plant spread on the ground. That is true. Fifth one is all the plants have colored flowers. That is false. Part D, definition. First is root. Generally, a part the plant that remains in the soil and grow in the soil is called root. Second one is stem. The main axis of shoot of a plant is called stem. Third one is shrub. A plant which is smaller than a tree and has several main stems arising at the near the ground is called shrub. Fourth one is taproot. A primary root that grow vertically downwards and small lateral roots sprouting out form it is called taproot. Part E, match the list. So in part A, first is sepal, second is petal, third one is stamen and the fourth one is pistil. In part B, A option is attract insects, B is produce ovules in the ovary, C1 protects the flower in budding age and the D is produce pollen grains. And the answer is first के सामने आएगा C, second के सामने आएगा A, third के सामने आएगा D और fourth के सामने आएगा B. अभी बात करते हैं सेक्शन B, वन सेंटेंस की. फर्स्ट इज लिस्ट द पार्ट ऑफ अ पिस्टिल. Answer is the 3 main parts of a pistil are first is sigma, second is style and the third one is ovary. Second one is list the part of a stamen, and the answer is the 2 main parts of a stamens are anther and filament. Third question is in which plant do we find parallel venation in their leaves? The answer is leaves of wheat, millet, maize, banana and grains have parallel venations. Fourth one is list 2 types of root system. Answer is 2 types of root system. First is taproot and the second one is fibrous root. Fifth one is what do you mean by creepers? Answer is plant with weak stems that cannot stand upright and spread on the ground are called creepers. Part B, that is give difference. First is taproot and fibrous root. So starting with first point, it has a main root and many branches arising from it. In fibrous root, first point is it does not have any root but have many thin small roots. Second point, it grows very deep in the soil. Second point, it does not grow very deep in the soil. And the third point, in taproot, dicot plants have taproot system and fibrous root, and the last point is monocot plants have fibrate root systems. Second one is petals and sepal. First point in petal, these may have many colors. First point of sepal is they are green in color. Second point in petals, the main job of petal is to attract insects so that pollination may occur. And second point in sepal, the sepal fold over and protect the closed bud from weather or injury while developing. Third point is they are present inside the sepals. And the last point is they are present outside the petals. Now talk about section C, give scientific reason. First is leaf is known as the kitchen of a plant. The answer is photosynthesis takes place in the leaves with the help of a green pigment present in them. Second point, they prepare food for the plant using water absorbed by root and carbon dioxide from air in the presence of sunlight. Third point, thus a leaf is responsible for producing a food of a plant. And the last point is hence leaf is called kitchen of a plant. Second is we feel cool in the shade of tree even at noon. Answer is while in the shade of a tree we escape from sunlight. Second point, the leaves of the tree give off water in the form of vapor from the stomata on their surface. As a result, the atmosphere near the tree remains cool and we feel cool in the shade of a tree. Now talk about section D, answer in brief. First is draw a neat diagram of pistil and show its part. Explain each of its part in short. तो यहाँ पे आपको एक डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है. तो फर्स्ट आएगा ऊपर स्टिग्मा, बीच में स्टाइल एंड द लास्ट वन इज ओवरी. Pistil is the female reproductive organ of a flower. It is the innermost part of a flower. The three parts of a pistils are first is stigma, second is style, and the third one is ovary. First, stigma, the sticky tip of a pistil on which pollen deposited at the beginning of pollination gets. Second one is style. It is a long, slender stalk that connects the stigma and the ovary. Third, ovary. This is the thickest lower part of a flower which holds its major organ. Small but like particles known as pollen grains are found inside the ovary. Second question is, what are the functions of a stem and leaf? The answer is the function of a stem are as follow. First is it keeps the part upright and provide support. Leaves, flower and fruits are arranged around the stem in such a manner that they all get sunlight. Third point is the stem conduct water from root to leaves and food from leaves to the other parts of the part. The functions of a leaf are as follow. Leaves helps in the interchange of gases. Second point is they release a lot of water into the air through transpiration, and the last point is they prepare the food for the plant by photosynthesis. तो यहाँ पे ये एक्सरसाइज ओवर होता है और आपको ये पूरा एक्सरसाइज अपनी नोटबुक में लिखना है. थैंक यू.